All right, welcome back to a brand new video of the Target Individual Program. The real experience of the New York Predator Department has been engaging in noise campaign, having under surveillance in the house. Just recently started an extreme sort of noise campaign. Also, they hacked into the home network and changed the setting in the router setting, and they did it through Optimum. All right. So if you are a Optimum subscribers, understand that they have access to your router, and they will change the settings. So I had the setting. I had um, created a 2 gigahertz channel, okay, access channel, and a 5 gigahertz access channel. And I've been noticing, I've said the past couple of days, like, wow, why is my videos taking so long to upload? It was because those mother effers went and they switched on the smart, um, what is it called? Uh, smart something. But it's supposed to automatically, um, like what it does is it measures the 2 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz. So if your phone is it'll give you two, right? So it'll say 5 gigahertz channel, 2 gigahertz channel, 2.4 gigahertz. All it was showing is 2.4, and I'm like, that's why for the past couple of weeks, when I come here and I upload my video, it takes so long to upload. So I came in here. I had to actually, because they hacked into the network and hacked my computer, because it kept restarting and restarting and restarting and restarting. And so I had to basically do a reinstall of the Windows operating system to fix the issue. Right now, I'm playing Watchdog 2, and basically they have locked me out of the server. So the game is taking a long time to load. Right, I was loading it fine, and it happened where it was on this mission that I was to try to get this this thing to level up. Right, it gives you additional what do you call it, abilities. Right, it's like uh, the the icon is like a skull face. It's a black and white, like a triangle with a skull face in the middle. So I was trying to get that item, and in Watchdog, they have the cops, right? So I started. They had gang members and stuff like that. So I started blowing up the gang members. That started calling the cops. I started blowing up the cops, right? So I'm sitting in. My character's sitting in the car, and I'm using my drone to drop bombs on the cops and stuff like that, right? So I didn't realize that when you sit in the car, they actually look for you and search you out. So as I noticed that, I got out the car. I don't even know how I got out the car. I think I didn't do anything at the car. I think I wanted to drive off, but I ended up getting in the car. So the character ended up getting shot by the cops. Right. From that happened, I have never when that happened. I no longer can sign into the game. I can no longer play into the game. Right. This is the type of subliminal message they try to send. Right. And this is the game that they play. So they're trying to prevent me from getting in the game now, so I can finish the mission or go on another mission, because again, this is how they want to end it, like with the cops shooting me. You hear the call on? Yep. Right? That sort of thing. So they will use games. Like I said, games are also being used in coercive persuasion program, as well as cognitive warfare. The use of video games, right, to include cognitive warfare in video games. So games like Watch Dogs 2, games like Fortnite, games like other game I was playing, Ghost Recon, Breakpoint, any sort of games like that. This is what they will engage in. Okay, so hacking the network, again, locking me out of the game because I couldn't get into replay the mission, because in the game my character gets shot by the cops. Right, so now I can't even get back in the game to finish up the game. So I guess this is how it's going to end, right? Anyway, again, just exposing what it is that they're doing, how they're doing it, and like I said, that's my purpose, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to expose them. All right, now I want to show you guys this, because again, I don't know if the screen. Let me use the front facing screen. Okay. All right, that looks a little better. You see here, right? It's been stuck on this for the past few minutes. Now I have a very fast NVMe drive, right? My NVMe drive is the speed is like 5,000 megabytes per second. That's the read speed, and the write speed is, I'm sorry, it's 5,400 megabytes per second, and then the that's the write speed, and the read speed is about 5,000 megabytes per second. So I have a very fast SSD, right? So, and I have no problems with loading into the game before. Always been able to load into the games. But I want you to understand when I expose them, how they will start to use their noise campaign, right? This time they're using the call horn, call alarm. All right. Talk to you guys in the next video.